Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I am here for my weekend video for you guys. Listen, I'm gonna try to make this quick. We're driving down to Santa Monica to the pier today, and so I don't want to be stuck in traffic, and I want to try to beat this heat because it's been so hot. We're triple digits, y'all, and your girl I've been baking. I've been doing some baking, and so we're gonna go to the beach, hang out, and so we're gonna make this video super quick so I can get it done and edit it before we leave out. And so today, you guys, so for my weekend, I need 15 rebates for $5. There's also a larger bonus, which is called the Splish Splash Cash bonus. And per your usual, your girl needs 48 rebates for $10. In the comments, what do you guys got for that? I always get 48 for 10. Give me a break, Ibotta. Like, give your girl a break. You know I can do it. Like, give me a break. Like, give me like 30 or something like that. And so that's what mine is. So for today, we're just gonna knock out what we gotta knock out to hit our weekend. Hopefully by the time we do next weekend, I'll be able to finish off the Splish Splash one with that weekend haul. Other than that, if you're new here, I am Shay. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well, so you know it's on the video. So really quick, I want to answer the question I get a lot. It has to do with stacking of the rebate apps. Which apps can you stack? Which apps can't you stack? Let me go over the apps that you can stack, that are stackable, and then we'll go over the ones that are not stackable. So the ones that are stackable would be Ibotta, Shopkick, what else? Brand Club, Fetch Reward. You know, I stack with Alexa, but I don't know for certain if it's stackable. I stack with it because it's Amazon. I feel like it's Amazon. It pays you only to Amazon. So something that's only going to benefit Amazon. That's kind of how I see it. So I do stack with Alexa. The ones that do have exclusions would be Shopmium, Checkout 51, Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Tada. And yeah, Merryfield is stackable as well, if I didn't say Merryfield. But yeah, all of those do have some type of exclusion. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Tada, they're all sister apps, so you cannot submit the same receipt to them all. Like back in the day, like back when we first started using My Points and Swagbucks, because at that time that's all there was, we were stacking between those two. And if those of you who've been around that long, there were some massive money makers that way, being able to buy one product and submit to both of them, or do one deal and submit the receipt to both of them. They have long since fixed that, so we can only submit one receipt to each one. So when you guys see me do a deal, if you see me buying Cokes, you see me buying 16 bottles because I'm submitting 4 bottles or one receipt for each one. If I was submitting the same receipt, then you would only see me buy 4 bottles because I'd be submitting the same receipt to all of them, but I'm not doing that. And so yeah, but if you ever want to know for certain, just read the fine print, read their terms and conditions, and see which ones are stackable and which ones are not. That's the only way that you're gonna know for sure, because I don't want to say do what I do, because I have never had an issue. I've always stacked with Checkout 51. I've always stacked coupons with Checkout 51. I've always stacked other apps on top of Swagbucks, the sister apps. I've been stacking Alexa with Shopmium. I was stacking it with coupons.com. I never had an issue. And so I don't want to say do it and you might have an issue, but I haven't had an issue. And so because this intro is hella long, I'm gonna leave it there, but I did want to answer that question for you guys. I might tack it at the end, who knows. But we're gonna head in the store and we're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can get here at Walmart. So if you want to see what your girl did this weekend, keep on watching.
Tell me you tired of seeing this deal without telling me you tired of seeing this deal. It's on the Go Ultimate. Y'all know, you already know. And so it's 208. We're grabbing a total of 4 of them at a time. Now I did my deal yesterday. It hasn't reset for me yet today, so I'm assuming that it might be, you know, it might be dead already. But anyway, so I did it the last 2 days. You end up paying $8.32. You'll get back 7 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada, making them only 33 cents. Other thing we're grabbing up here is on the Weathers Originals. It's on the smaller bag. I think these are like the 2.65 bag. They're priced at $1.28. You're gonna grab a total of 2 of these. You'll pay $2.56, but get back 50 cents on Ibotta, which is 25 cents for each one. You'll also get back $1.50 on Tada for buying 2, and then 62 cents for each one on Checkout 51, making them both free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. All right, next up is on the Michelangelo's. These are the little dinners. Now, they only actually carry these at one of my stores. Well, the small ones. They carry the larger ones at the store closest at my house, but I have to go to the one a little further, this one here, which carries the smaller ones. They're priced at $4.12. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You end up paying $8.24 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4.29 for buying 2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on ShopMium and Alexa as well. I think I had it on my Tada, which then made this like a $2.05 moneymaker. It's the Kellogg's Fruit Loops. These are on the little cups. They're priced at $1.34. You're gonna get back $8 on Ibotta, making it only 34 cents. Now the limit of this is 5, so I definitely grabbed 5. This store is out of the Chupa Chups. I was just here yesterday and they had probably half a box of both left up there. They are completely out. The top one at $2.94. The bottom one is $3.13. And then we're getting back 1,100 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.40 plus 50 cents on Ibotta for each. It makes one bag $1.77 moneymaker and the other $1.96 moneymaker. So yeah, I've been doing it because, you know, that money is going towards other stuff, so I cannot pass that deal up. The other thing over here is on the originals, the Weathers Originals. We're gonna grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $5.48. But then we're gonna get back $8 on Ibotta. We'll get back $2 on Swagbucks, Inbox, My Points, or Tada. And then we'll get back 62 cents for each on Checkout 51, bringing these down to only 62 cents. Alright guys, so I went ahead and was able to price match, not at this store because this store didn't have any, but I was able to price match the pencil down here, which is 105 brunette. I price matched it for $2.54. So I paid $5.08 and then I got back $7.50, which is a BOGO offer on Ibotta, which made them both free plus a $2.42 moneymaker. Now I also did the plum up here, which this store doesn't have any either. The plum one, which is it 6? Which one is it? Hold on. This one right here, 665 right here. Is it focusing? I don't know. Okay, so I price matched that one for $2.01. So I ended up paying $4.02, and then I got back a BOGO offer on Ibotta for $6.70. So I made that a $2.68 moneymaker. I did this at my home store and my favorite cashier, and no questions asked, no issues, which made them both a nice moneymaker that helped pay for other things. The next deal is on the Claracil overnight spot patches. They're priced at $10.12. We're gonna grab 1. We'll get back $3.50 on Ibotta. We'll also get back 1,700 kicks on Shopkick, which is $6.80, making this an 18-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is gonna be on the Dove 0% aluminum. They are on rollback for $6.18 for the sticks and $6.73 for the sprays. So we're grabbing 1 of each. The total is going to come to $12.91, and we're using a BOGO coupon from our inserts. It's not scanning for me, guys. It has to be manually entered. And so that's going to take off the price of the lower one, which is $6.18. You end up paying $6.73, but then getting back 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.10 for 1 of them, and 400 kicks for the other one, which is $1.60. And then we'll get back $2.50 on Fetch Reward, and we'll get back $4 on Ibotta, making them both free, plus a $3.47 moneymaker. Just a heads up, I did see somebody post about clearance on the hair dye, which they do have a lot of it on the clearance. All of these brands here, so just keep your eyes peeled at your stores. A lot of this store is already cleared out though. I'm trying to think if we have coupons for the Schwarzkopf. Did I say it right this time, y'all? I feel like we have coupons on it though. I'll have to double check. I feel like we have $3 coupons. I'll probably check in the car and see if we do. Because I just actually sold a bunch of hair dye on OfferUp. Let me see. We might have Clairol coupons. We have the Bogle ones, I know for sure. And there's these down here. They even have these up here for $1.20. Normally $5.12. These are $2.50. Okay, so my next deal is on the Dove body wash. We're gonna grab the men's price at, where is it at? $6.97 for the 18 ounce right here. We're gonna grab one of these at $6.97. And then we're gonna go down and grab one of the Dove Women, which is a smaller bottle, priced at $4.97. Now the total for both, it's always weird to me that they put the smallest bottle in this case and they put the bigger ones on the outside. I guess they want you to buy the bigger ones, right? We just gonna do this like this. Let's pretend that this larger bottle of Dove Women is really the small one for $4.97. So for the two of these, the total is gonna come to $11.94. We're gonna use that BOGO coupon, which will take off $6.97. You'll pay the $4.97 out of pocket, but get back 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $160. Bringing it down to $3.37. For both of them are $168 each. Now we're gonna use that candy to help pay for this Dove and make it free. Plus still a small money maker. All right, so this last deal is on the Vital Fusion. It's on the men and women's 50 plus multi gummies. They're priced at $7.68. For this, you want to grab one of each. You end up paying $15.36 out of pocket, but getting back $5 on Ibotta. We'll get back $6.24 on Checkout 51 and $6 on Swagbucks, making us a $1.88 moneymaker. Now I went ahead and grabbed two of each, paid $30.72, got back $10 on Ibotta, $12.48 on Checkout 51, and then $12 on Swagbucks, making it a $3.76 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. Look at all that pop. OMG. So I did that deal 2 days in a row. Second day, when I got down to my fourth receipt for Tada, it was gone. So I returned those because I was just like, I'm not paying $8, $9, $10 for some soda we've been practically getting for free. So I returned those. So that's doing the deal twice on Swagbucks, twice on My Points, twice on Inbox, and once on Tada. And so, yeah, there was that. I did Fruit Loops twice. I did the Dove twice. The Dove, I've had to have that receipt corrected on Fetch Rewards, so I'm waiting for that. The second receipt, which was from today. The Claricel, that one was on my home page when I did it the second time, but not on my submit page on Shopkick. So put a ticket in for that for 1,700 kicks. I didn't mention the wet ones. I think those were $3.13, $1 back on Ibotta. Then I had a $1.50 Brand Club survey. The California Scents, I did get the wrong ones. I thought those were the ones that were $2.12, but they were actually $3.12, I want to say. So I ordered the correct ones for curbside, and I'm going to take those back. But the breakdown for that will be in the Google Doc. And made those a 54-cent moneymaker, so I figured why not on that. I think that was basically it. We did go to CVS and do the Revlon 2 more times, CoverGirl 3 more times. I was able to price match these with my favorite cashier, which was awesome. And these all did work for the rebate on Checkout 51, even the larger bags. And really quick, when I did the Vital Fusion, it actually was there when I was checking out. It was there when I was checking out, but it said few left or something like that. As soon as I checked out, it was gone. So what I did is I tried to submit it for the other rebate for the melatonin one, and it went through for $2.97. So basically, yeah, like yesterday I went and I did the men's because they didn't have any of the women. They restocked on the women, so I grabbed the women and I went ahead and just submitted for that, and it went through on Checkout 51. So not as big a money maker, but still really, really awesome deal on that. I think that's everything that I wanted to mention for this, y'all. But everything worked out really good. I only had 2 coupons, y'all. And that's the one for the body wash BOGO and then the deodorant BOGO, which are being manually entered for me. They are not going straight through, which I wish they would, but they're not. And so everything you see here retails $289.70. I had $68.33 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals because we did go to CVS. The out-of-pocket was $221.37. As always, y'all, we're rolling our rebate money. We are never using our own personal money. We're always using our PayPal card, which all of our rebates pretty much go to, with the exception of Merryfield, Fetch, but pretty much all of them do go to PayPal, and then you're using your PayPal card to pay for everything. So you're just continuously rinsing and repeating over and over and over. And so never paying that out of our own pocket. And then we walk away with $68.59 from Ibotta. We've got $54.20 from Shopkick, $2 from Alexa, $16.42 from Checkout 51. Swagbucks was $35.50. My points was $14.96. Inbox was $14. Tada was $9. Fetch Reward was $5. And what else? Brand Club was $1.50. Now I did find a receipt in the parking lot, which I submitted. I did a couple of surveys. I did 3 surveys. I think it was for Nutella, Slim Fast, and Body Fortress protein shake. So I did get back an extra $4.55 just from the receipt that I found in the parking lot. And then $31 back in extra care bucks, which is awesome. So we walk away with a total of $256.72, which makes everything you see here free plus a $35.35 moneymaker. Now my tax was $23.01, so even after tax, we still make a whopping $12.34, which is so awesome. Other than that, I'm gonna leave it there. You guys have the most amazing night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.